If you're experiencing an installation loop with EASC25, follow these steps to resolve the issue and successfully complete the installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for EASC25. Check the official website for details on the necessary hardware and software specifications. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close the game and any related applications, then restart your computer or console before attempting the installation again. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can clear temporary files by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may interfere with the installation process. This includes antivirus software, firewalls, or any other programs that might affect the installation. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, try uninstalling the game completely and then reinstalling it. Make sure to download the latest version from the official source to avoid any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing EASC25. If issues persist, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance.